How to get Spotify Premium for free. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, make sure you are using the latest version of Spotify. To check that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app Spotify. Once app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. After you update the app, launch your preferred browser. Now type in Spotify Premium and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website, spotify.com. You will be directed to this kind of page. Now click on the option of View All Plans. With that, you're going to find all the plans for Spotify: Individual, Student, Duo, Family. Heading towards Individual or Student plan, you can enjoy Spotify Premium for 1 month for free. So you can see that try free for 1 month. You can click on that option. Now you can go ahead and type in your Spotify account's credentials and log into your account. Then go through the process. With that, you're gonna get 1 month free trial for the Spotify Premium. Likewise, you can also try out Student One. For this as well, you're gonna get 1 month free trial. Well, this is how you can easily get Spotify Premium for free. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.